Hello everyone and welcome to Towards a Better India. In this video, I want to talk about solar energy initiatives which I feel should be taken on a much bigger scale in India, which at the moment is extremely limited. I have seen major initiatives being taken in the state of Gujarat, where of late, in fact, Chief Minister Narendra Modi also pointed out, certain canals which are being covered with entire solar panels, and that way on one hand you're preventing excess evaporation of water from those canals, and at the same time you're kind of not using land. Otherwise you would take up land and cover that with solar panels, which in turn would not be a very fruitful exercise. So it's like you're kind of killing two or more birds with one stone. But the point I'm making is that as far as solar energy is concerned, there is definitely a lot of potential right throughout the country. India, in some ways luckily, is a country which receives a lot of sun, and much of it, especially in summer, it's in fact it gets completely parched because it's so hot. Now that being the case, it is so important that when there's so much of the energy from the sun which is being received by this country, we should try and tap as much of it. Eventually we can use so much of that energy instead of relying on many other sources, which often end up proving not as fruitful, as beneficial as we would like them to be. Invariably in the summers we are all left with power cuts, power shortages. There's excess of demand, there are too many air conditioners running, there's not enough supply, and then there are power cuts, load shedding, and all that. Everything can be, again, if not, I won't say that probably completely removed, but at least mitigated, minimized. We can definitely distribute the overall generation. If there's power generation from one source, from another source, solar energy can definitely be one of the major sources. And agreed, I agree that as far as the cost of solar energy is concerned, those panels, etc., they're costly. But over time, you have one panel installed which can actually generate solar energy over a prolonged period of time. So when you take that into consideration, you will find that over time the cost per se is not that much. So if that is the case, why not move more and more towards solar energy, try and get more and more of the country people getting aware. Everywhere you've got to highlight the fact that the cost per se of installation and the initial cost per se can actually be recovered over time. And the sun's energy, as far as we see it, is probably going to be there for a long time to come. You and me, we are here, we'll not be there. Sometime in the future none of us will be there, but the sun is quite likely to be there. So these panels are also likely to remain, and they can continue to provide energy. So I want to create an awareness. I want to create, people know about solar energy, but then they seem to forget the fact that it's all up to us. It's not just the administration which is going to take initiatives in this direction. We all, you and me, we should all work towards it. I am working towards it. I am getting these solar panels installed on my premises. So if that is the case, all of us can look towards that. So that's something which definitely is there on my mind, and that's where I feel that all of us can work towards that. Cheers.